A lot of you might have actually seen this investment website going on, this pONZI investment website going on, and you might have wondered how it was created and how the whole thing runs. And so I've decided to do this cybersecurity tutorial to teach you guys how this scammer guys create Hamster pONZI, Hamster Kombact pONZI's investment website. Yes, so this is a cybersecurity tutorial. You are liable to everything you do with this video, or this video is not for any purpose but for educational purpose. So as a developer, I believe you should have an idea of how to create all these kind of websites, and so that is the reason I'm putting out this video, which I titled cybersecurity tutorial on Hamster Kombact pONZI script. So with that being said, let's get started and let me show you how these people build this website and how you can avoid falling for it. So now the first thing is this, guys. The first thing is to get a web hosting. So these people get a web hosting, they purchase a web hosting. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using Pmasteck. So Pmasteck is what I'm going to be using for this tutorial. So as you can see, you guys are actually aware and about this hosting because I've used it for some tutorial. So it's actually, you guys are actually aware. So you can just create an account. It's easy, and by clicking on the link in the description, which is my link, you can create an account. So that's it. So now they have different hosting plans that are actually convenient. If you go to order new service, they have different hosting plans that are actually convenient and cheap. So for Naira, you have one of 8,000, you have the one of 7,000. So you have, and they can carry different websites. So please support me by using the link in the description, guys. That's it. So now with that being said, let's go back to the tutorial info. After purchasing your domain, purchasing your hosting, you come to the link in the description. As you can see, this is the file we're going to be using. You click on get now. Now as you click on get now, I'm going to use these details. I don't know, I'm just going to use this detail. So you're going to click on continue. So this is the file. I'm going to click on download file. So it has started downloading. As you can see, it was easy. So it has started downloading. So now I'm downloading the file. So after downloading the file, the next thing is to go purchase your hosting and your domain name. So I already have a hosting and a domain name. I got this plan. As you can see, I got this 3 website plan, and I'm using 3 websites on this plan for 7,000 naira semi-annually. So that's what I'm using. So now I'm going to log into my hosting plan. Okay guys, so this is it right now. This is the file manager. I just log into the file manager from the hosting. As you can see, from this hosting, I just log into my file manager or my cPanel as it was given to me. So I could go to my cPanel directly, but this is my file manager. So for yours, you're not going to have this. You're just going to be public_html. But because I'm using a second domain, that is why I have this. Now the file I'm actually downloading, it's here. It's still downloading. So I'll allow it for some time. So once it's downloaded, I'm going to upload it. Now after uploading, then we can continue the process. Now this website has been in rampart, and a lot of people have actually created it and they are utilizing it. So if you see such website, please avoid investing your money or your time on it, because it's actually not free and it's actually fake. At the end of the day, it's either you waste your time or you waste your money by just doing tasks and all that in the platform. So with that being said, let's go and upload it. So you click on the upload bar here, then you click on select file. So the file is on my download, so this is it. Then you open the file. So now you're going to give it some time to upload, so just leave it while it loads. So you just have to be patient, because I have a lot of file, not like I recently bought this hosting. I have a lot of file on it on different parts. I have different subdomain on this server, so that is the reason it's actually slow. I should have about, let's say, 10 to 14 websites on just this domain name, so that is why it is slow. guys, as you can see, the file has actually been uploaded. So you're going to click go back home, and then the file is being extracted, and you extract it. I'm very sorry for the background noise. Our new office, as I told you guys, is actually close to the major road, and that is the main reason we are having a lot of noise. So now this is the file. This is the install database. As you can see, this is database. So I'm going to download this. Download. Now for those of you who do not like using video, you can view this file on the installation process. So PHP 8.1. So this is where you connect your database, and this is your admin details, as you see guys. So that's just it. So you go to core vendor and cd, that is where your file is. So let's go back. So within the core, and inside the core you look for your vendor, and inside there you look for your cd, and this is your env file. So you click on edit, and after clicking, then you click on edit. So while that is loading, let me see, let's see another env file. So let me see this other one. So this is the one we are working with currently. So let's put our domain name. So this is our domain name, agroltd.ng. Copy, and I'm gonna paste it here. So now we have to create a database username and database password for it. So let's go back and go to our database creation. Okay, the site has two .env file. I didn't pay attention to this before, but the major one is this. But let's set both of them up. Let's set both of them up so we don't have any issue at the end of the day. So let me copy the URL, paste it here as well. Okay, so now we go create the PHP. So you type in database wizard, and you open your database wizard, and then you enter your database password. So I'm going to call this let's say 520. So 520 is what I'm going to call this. We'll click on next. 520 also. So I'm going to use this as a password to make it easier for me to remember. So this and this. So I'm going to click on create user. Go to Kombact here, paste the. Now you see this apostrophe on the side. Please do not remove it. Do not remove it, as it is very vital in the whole process. So click on this, and you have the three of them here. So I will do the same for this. Click on this, and click on this. So I think this is okay, and let me save this. So I'm going to remove this, and then the same for this, which is the main one. So I'm not going to set up the mailing system, I'm just going to leave that. So once I'm done, give it all privileges, make changes. So that is actually done. That is done. So the next thing is to go for the phpMyAdmin. This is phpMyAdmin. Open this one up. Then multi PHP manager is where you select the PHP version of your website. So now let's first of all go for 520 and make the importation of the database. So click on import, click on choose file. This is the database. Click on open and import the database. Meanwhile, we have to select the PHP version of our website. So to do that, just come here, select the PHP website, select the version according to what we have read, set PHP version 8.1. so just going to select 8.1, click on apply, and let's allow this to upload. Then we can complete the process. Let me just register and create an account, guys. Let me register and create an account. So I'm going to call this Victor. I'm going to call this V. So on the username, I'm going to call this So I'm going to call this, and the email, so I'm going to use a random mail. So let's say at, or let me use this one here. So on password, I should use 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So I'm going to click on register. So we have just registered as a CEO, and let's wait. Okay guys, so this is it. It's still loading. As you can see, it's still loading. So let's allow it load. So now everything you can set from the admin. As you remember, we went through the admin, so you can set everything from the admin here. So guys, we have this all set up. As you can see, this is the this is it. You can just click on it and start rotating. So to boost it, you pick a plan and then you make payment on the plan. So let's assume boost now. You make payment for the plan as a user, and this is more understandable if you are doing it on mobile. So are you sure you want to boost? You click on yes. You have no sufficient coin. Now to get the coin, you have to deposit. That is the thing. So you have to deposit to get the coin. So that's how this platform works. So these are actually tasks that you can perform on the platform. Just like every regular platform, you perform a task, and that's it. So now for your users to get coin, for your users to get to be able to boost their account, they have to deposit. So they have to deposit the amount that they want, and then select the payment plan you have here. As you can see, we have just one. This is it. And then click on next step. So you click on next step, it asks them to pay now. Sorry, so this is it, pay now. So they'll pay the money. So now guys, when a users try to deposit money, it's going to be based on limit. So what I mean limit, so if you click on deposit and you type in the amount, let's say $200, you select your payment gateway, and this is what it's going to tell you in naira. This is the amount, $200, 1 USD equals to 1 naira. You click on next step, please pay 200 for successful, 200 naira for successful. So you click on pay now. Now the the account number has actually not been set. So right now the payment gateway is actually disabled, as you can see. So let's enable one of the payment gateway. So let's reload the site. Now let's click on deposits. Let's do 200 again. System select USDT. Next step. So you copy the wallet address. As you can see, this is the wallet address. I just use demo as the wallet address. You copy the wallet address, then you paste the so as you can see ERC20. Then your TRS ID, you paste it here. So let's say TRC, that doesn't mean TRC20. I don't know much about this crypto stuff, so TRX ID, you paste it here, and then you click on pay now, and that is it, because you have made the payment to the crypto wallet address there. So what else again that I not explained? So withdrawal, this is where if a user request withdrawal, it's going to show up here. As you can see, it's going to show up that user request withdrawal here. So support ticket is also here. So if someone literally request support, is going to show up here. So guys, that is it for this tutorial. Every other setting here you can set up yourself. It's not very hard. That's it for this tutorial. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I will see you on my next tutorial, guys. Bye for now.